Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're highly welcome to Oti Hair Lounge, a channel that always brings to you latest and trending hairstyles and nail design. So if you're looking for a good channel to be getting all the trending and most stylish nail designs and hairstyle, then here is your go-to destination. So do join us today, and trust me, you'll be glad you did. To you my viewers who has been coming back to watch my content, guys, we love you guys so much. You have been so amazing. Thanks for the massive support. Thanks for the sharing, for the engagement. God bless you all. Keep bringing mind-blowing videos to you. So if you're yet to subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. Do join us, okay? So guys, today we have carefully selected most unique and trending winter nails ideas. Yes, these are winter nails ideas slash new year nails. So if you have been looking for this kind of nails, then this is highly recommended for you. So do watch it from beginning to the end, and trust me, you definitely love this. Okay, we have it in different colors, different shapes, different nail art designs that will definitely blow your mind. So as to watch, select your favorites and as well share to your loved ones so they can be part of the video. But as you watch our videos, do like the video, okay? Do support us by giving the video a thumbs up, and also drop a lovely comment in the comment section. Tell us, will we be trying any of these nails? Just let us know in the comment section. If you have any video ideas I want us to bring to this channel, then feel free, just go to the comment section, tell us how you want it, and trust me, we'll be there to reply you. Thank you so much, my ladies, as we'll be looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Bye.